How's it going? This is Ricardo, and in this video I'll show you how to remove the motherboard from a Dell Latitude 3488. If you're looking for parts for this laptop, go to our website and use this coupon for a 5% off discount. First unscrew, then remove access door. Now unscrew and disconnect battery. Use a thin object to pry apart and turn over keyboard. Now disconnect and remove keyboard. Next, disconnect motherboard cables. Now unscrew and disconnect cooling fan. Then unscrew and remove heatsink. Now unscrew and lift hinge from motherboard. Now unscrew, then remove bracket and disconnect antenna cables. Then remove wireless card. Next unscrew, then disconnect bracket and cable. Then unscrew and disconnect motherboard. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. And if you need more, check out this playlist to watch other tutorials for your laptop. You can also click here to find parts for your laptop at partspeople.com.